My name is Mary Fitzgibbon. I'm a quality assurance manager supporting the Purification Network. I've been with Thermo Fisher for 30 years. In all of those 30 years, I have supported the Purification Network as well as some other businesses. From the get-go as a kid, I always knew I wanted to be a scientist. I got a degree in biomedical sciences from Western Michigan University. So I moved to Boston, I worked for Harvard, research labs a little bit, and then I accepted an interview with a company called Perceptive Biosystems. Perceptive Biosystems was a new startup company off the campus of MIT, and that was where porous resins were first developed and introduced to the market. From there, I accepted the role in quality control, and I did that for at least 13 years, moved up to be a quality control supervisor, and then switched and went on the road and worked on business transformation, came back to Bedford and did business excellence, so many different things along the way. Full circle, I'm now in quality assurance, again, supporting customers specifically related to the Purification Network. So as a quality control person in quality assurance, our goal is to ensure that the products we make are of the appropriate quality for the customers, right? So if we ensure quality, the customers are confident in our product and will continue to buy more. That, alongside some great research and development, led to business growth. One of my first achievements was we had to move out of Cambridge into a larger facility in Bedford. So I had to build out a whole new quality control lab, worked on the teams that were responsible for the transfer, again, all the way making sure that these changes didn't negatively impact the quality of our product, again, ensuring customer satisfaction. And most recently, that has translated into us needing even more space, and us moving from a single site to multiple sites, and now a network, the Purification Network. So there's been a lot. Again, going back to when we were in Cambridge, we had 4 resins. We had ion exchange resins. And over the years, the industry and our customers demanded more. So fast forward, we now have ion exchange resins, affinity resins, resins that support therapeutics. These are just really, really important in how we respond to customer needs and develop products in support of those needs and the industry in general. Again, it goes back to that research and development and really having our pulse on the market, understanding what the customer needs are. Things evolved over the years. When I started in 1993, the human genome was just a dream, right? Now we've sequenced the human genome, and there's all these other offshoots, personalized medicine, again, most recently, the viral vectors in support of the pandemic. The big one for me was in the late 1990s, sequencing of the human genome. That opened up the doors to this personalized medicine, which is not recent, but is continuing to evolve on a daily basis. The power of personalized medicine is just phenomenal and really exciting to me.